friends, and welcome to day 1 of Mama Elephant's February 2025 release. Today we are introducing Monster Hugs and its coordinating creative cuts. Now let's take a look at the stamped images. This sweet and unique monster set was designed by Ada Zamora. There are 8 different monsters in the set, along with a few coordinating sentiments. For this video, I will show you how I color the monster with the star. I'm coloring it like I would color a bunny. I will put the Copic color combinations in the description below. I add some white gel pen accents, and that finishes my coloring for today. The card I'm making today was inspired by Where the Wild Things Are. It's a children's book from 1963, and both the drawings as well as the story were by Maurice Sendak. I also took the color inspiration from the drawings in the book. For my card, I'm using the Rolling Waves cover, the BG Wonders of Winter, the Layla letters, the Monster Hugs, and Oh Merry Tree. I'm starting by adding some Distress Oxide ink on the background. I use a combination of Rustic Wilderness, Bundled Sage, and Shabby Shutters. Peeling away the masking tape is always one of my favorite parts. I won't be using the clouds that come with the Rolling Waves cover, and instead I'm lining it with a blue paper with some ink splatters. I used the BG Wonders of Winter to create my trees for the background. I wanted to make sure that one of the monsters would fit behind one of the trees, so that is a place I'm not putting any glue. On the rest of the background, I put some tape runner. I'm using a little bit less dimension in my card than I would usually, and I'm doing this because it's easier to add in the letters in the end. I stamped the Layla letters using this Altenew ink called Grapevine. If you've watched any of my videos before, you will know that I use this trick using masking paper to get my letters in the perfect position. In this scene in the book, the little boy, Max, is made king of the monsters. My sentiment is one of the iconic lines from the book, in which Max dictates the monsters that they are now going to have a wild party. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release is available from the 15th of February, and I'll see you tomorrow for more introductions. Bye!